Share your screen. Share the template PowerPoint. Record video. Read your Spanish name and Chinese name. Read files. Read front nasal files. Read back nasal files. Read medial files. Read initials. Read two soundproof initials. Read overall syllables. Practice the four tones. Practice the neutral tone. And read these new words. When you finish, say 谢谢. Stop share. Stop recording. End meeting for all. Save the MP3 in your computer. Change the final name. Play the MP3 to check and make sure anything is correct. Then upload it to the canvas.